Hello, my name is Jose. I'm a Java champion and a Java 1 rockstar. I'm talking to you from Paris, where I live, and I'm so very happy to present my new course using Lambda Expressions in Java code. Writing lambdas in Java may prove a little tricky, and in just 1 hour, this course shows you how to write them in any kind of situation using a simple method that will never fail. You will see how to write suppliers, consumers, predicates, and functions. These functional interfaces are the foundation of the Java util function package, also covered. In fact, it is the toolbox used in the collection framework and the stream API that you need to know. Lambda expressions can also be chained, and you will see that on consumers and predicates. They can also be composed, which will be shown on comparators. Comparators is a great API that fully leverages everything you can do with lambdas, so we will spend some time on them. I am very happy to guide you through all this, and I can't wait to see how you will use lambdas to improve your Java code.